today. Said I woke up to the summer shining through, calling on my friends asking what's the move. Feeling a little different, I'm on something new. Today. I ain't gonna let no clouds get in my way. The only road I'm walking is the one I pick. Catch me sitting in the sun, no time for shade. Today.
Okay, I just came back from work. Let me just switch off this TV for 1 second. Okay, I just came back from work. Tired. This is me in my work. Shandis. Do people still say that? Shandis? Do they still say it? I don't know. But I'm in my work Shandis. Tired. What I'm gonna do now is get some grub, sleep, and yeah. And then that's it. So I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, I'm actually supposed to be sleeping, but not yet. I haven't slept yet. I just want to eat first and bath. I'll take a shower and then I'll sleep because I is tired. So yeah, maybe I'll take a couple of selfies. I'm like a little bit bored, and yeah. Why is the time like that? Yo, let me tell you about the day I had. I think on my second day shift. It was raining so bad. You know I walk to work, ne? And so, okay, and okay, don't mind. Firstly, I'm as South African as you can get, so don't mind me if I switch back and forth from languages. 100% South African. I speak Zulu, I speak Xhosa, English, Gonk, everything, mama. Okay. So, ngiyesikoleni. Damn, why am I saying school? Ngiyemsebenzini. Already ngiphuma liyanet. Like it is raining. Already it's raining hardcore, and ngiphume ngiphethe umbrella and everything. Okay, and then I walk.
That looks great. Good job standing too.
It didn't imvula engithulanga kangako.
Thank you, man. I can tell.
Ngathi ibithi, wait till you come back from work. Wait, we have a surprise for you. Afternoon. Mind you, it had been raining the whole day. Hayi ngibuya. Yangenzani. Ngathi nje ethi you have not heard anything from us yet. God, even my bra was wet. Even my bra was wet. The only thing that was not wet was my head. It was just my head. That's it. The rest of me, my shoes, and then as I'm walking along in the car, shooting the there is nedamana lamanzi, and I'm walking. Next thing, kwadlula imoto bra. Gijimani athi nje amazanthini andithi nje thalakaxa emlenzeni all the way to my thighs. Oh, ndinganyanyanga. And then seconds after another one, they didn't even give me a chance to hide or run. Landelana didn't even give me a bloody chance to run. Ndinganyanyanga, bro. I feel like I'm endlini. I was just frustrated, cold, and hungry. First thing, kulula, ndawohlamba straight. Nadla. I was so frustrated. Well, I had the day, so I'm happy the sun is out. Like, I'm literally happy the sun is out. So because I've been having the most for my day shift. I'm just happy I'm night shift now. I'm just happy I'm night shift. So that was that. That was that for yeah. Yeah, I was just watching the Met Gala now. Okay, not Met Gala. Why do I keep saying it's Met Gala? It was a red carpet live. Okay, Besafika. Yeah, I was just watching it. It was nice. And so that's that. But guys, but I'm using a filter, guys. It makes me feel better.
Obviously, it's completely upgraded, but from the stone and the wood.
Because
I love this table, this dining room. I could see us have a lot of family meals.
And so I don't want to show you what I'm cooking, because I don't want y'all thinking this is a cooking channel. It's not. But from time to time I'll show you my cooking. But don't think it's a cooking channel, because it's not. Okay.
Fifth ward, fourth ward.